What's the meaning of compile? Compile. Compile.
Compile. Compile. In computer science, compile refers to the process of translating source code written in a high-level programming language into machine-readable instructions that can be executed by a computer. The compiler software takes the source code as input and outputs an executable program or a binary file that can be run on the target platform. The result of compilation is a more efficient and optimized version of the original code, as the compiler can perform complex optimizations to improve performance and reduce resource usage. Overall, compilation is a critical step in creating software that can be deployed and executed on different hardware platforms.